Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the lowest common multiple, that is LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more given number is the smallest or lowest of their common multiples. So what to do? To find LCM, first we have to find the common multiples and we have to select the smallest from that one. The first common multiple of any two number or more than two number is the LCM of that one. So there are some methods. So come to that one. Method to find LCM. First one is prime factorization method. To find LCM with the help of prime factorization method, what to do? We have to find the prime factorization of all the given numbers. Then we have to multiply all the prime factors which occur maximum number of times. We have to multiply the prime factors which occur maximum number of times. So here is an example. Find the LCM of 60 and 72. We have to find the LCM of these two numbers. So solution of that one is, first we have to find the prime factorization of 60 and 72. So in this way we can find the prime factorization. So here is 60. We have to convert the 60 as the product of prime numbers. Suppose I am dividing that with 2, 2 30s. Again I am taking 2, 2 15s. Next I am taking 3, 3 5s. Then I am taking 5, so it is 1. So these are the prime factors, that is 2, 2, 3 and 5. In this way you can convert the 72 also. So here then we have to encircle the common factors. So prime factorization of 60 is this one, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Similarly prime factorization of 72 is 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. So these are the factors. Next step is we have to encircle the common factors. Okay, we are finding LCM, but we have to encircle the common factors. So the common factors are 2, 2 and 3. So first we have to write 2, 2 and 3, and in which we have to multiply the factors which remain single, that is the factors are 2, 3 and 5. Another factors are 2, 3 and 5. So this is the number. To find LCM, we will count the common factors. These are, that is all these three 1 times, and multiply them with other remaining factors. The other remaining factors are this one, that is 2, 3 and 5, to get the LCM of this number. So here is the LCM. The LCM of 60 and 72 is, we have to select the common factors as 1 time, that is 2, 2 and 3, and we have to in which we have to multiply the rest of the factor, that is 2, 3 and 5. So the LCM of this number is, if we multiply all these we get 360. So LCM of these two number is 360. In this way you have to find the LCM. First by prime factorizing the each number, then you have to select the factor you use maximum number of times. Next one is your repeated division method, or second one is repeated division method. So if we have to find the LCM of so many numbers, then we use this method. To find LCM of more than 3 numbers, we use the LCM with the help of repeated division. So here is an example. Here we have 3 numbers, that is 105, 216 and 314. We have to find the LCM of these 3 numbers. So here is the solution. Use the repeated division method on all the number together. Okay, we have to, in previous prime division method we are dividing each number separately. Here we will divide all the 3 numbers at a time. Divide together until we get the 1 as the last row. Okay, we have to divide until we are getting 1 as the remainder. So here is the repeated division of this number, that is 105, then 216 and 314. So we have to select such a prime number which is divisible by any these 3. So I have taken 2 here. So 2 is if we divide with 105, it is not divisible, so keep them as they are. Next, if we divide 216, it become 108. If we divide 314, it become 157. Again I have taken 2, as it is first number is not divisible, so write that one as they are. Next, 108 become by 2 become 54, and this is a number, as it is last digit is not even, so it is not divisible. Now come to, again we have to divide with 2, as middle number is divisible, so first and third number become as they are, and if we divide 54 by 2, we are getting 27. Okay, as all the three number are not divisible by 2, now move to as the next number, next prime number, that is 3. If we divide 105 divided by 3, we are getting 35. 27 by 3, we are getting 9. And this number is again not divisible by 3, as 1 plus 5 it is 6, 6 plus 7, okay, 13. So this number is not divisible by 3. Again I'm taking 3, okay, again I'm taking 3. So if we divide this number, first number is not divisible, so write that as they are, and 9 divided by 3, it is 3. The last number written as the same. In this way you have to divide until you get 1 in the last row by taking prime number only. Okay, again I have divided with 3, then 5, then 7, and last one is 157, as it is a prime number, so it is not divisible by any other number. So in this way I have divided all three number with the help of prime numbers. So next step is we have to multiply these factors. So LCM of all these three are, that is 105, 216 and 314 are all these, that is write the factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 times, again multiplied by 5, 7 and 157. So these are the factors which we have to multiply. If we multiply all these factors, we are getting this number, that is 11,86,920. In this way you have to find the LCM of more than two number with the help of repeated division. Next come to real life problem related to LCM. Here we will discuss question related to real life problem in which you use the LCM. So example is, what could be the least number which when divided by 25, 20, 25 and 30 leaves the remainder 6 in each case. We have to select such a number which is divisible by all these three number and leaving a remainder of 6 also. So to find the minimum, least, lowest or smallest, in that case what to do, we have to find LCM. Whenever you have given these keywords like minimum, smallest, lowest, least, in that case you have to find the LCM. So here is a word that is least number, so you have to find the LCM of all these three number, in which you have to add 6 to get the required number. So here is the solution. As you have to find the least number, so we will calculate the LCM first. So the LCM of this number with the help of repeated division is this one, that is we have to select 20, 25 and 30. As there are two even numbers, so we have to divide with first prime number, that is 2. 2 times are 20 and 25 is not divisible by 2, so keep them as they are, and 30 divided by 2, it is 15. Again I am taking 2, as 10 is divisible by 2, so 10 by 2 it is 5, and other two number are not divisible, that is 25 right there and 15 as there. Again there is no multiple of 2, so I am taking 3 here. So 5 is not divisible, so write 5 here. 25 is also not divisible, so write 25 here, and 15 by 3 it is 5. Okay, here the next number are 5, 25 and 5, so we have to take next prime number, that is 5. So 5 by 5 it is 1, next 25 by 5 it is 5, and 5 by 5 it is 1. As there is 5 here, so again we have to take 5. So write 1 here, then 5 by 5 it is 1, and last one is 1 by 5 it is, if we take it is 1. So the LCM is all these number. So we have to multiply all this number, that is 2 times, 3 1 times, and 5 2 times to get the LCM. So the LCM of these number are, that is 2 times, 3 multiplied by 5 2 times. If we multiply all these factors, we are getting 300. So we can say that 300 is the least number which is divisible by all these 3. Next step is, we have to find the number which is divisible by all these 3 also, leave the remainder 6 also. So here 300 is the least number which is divisible by 20, 25 and 30. Again we have to, here the remainder is 0, but we have to find the number which leaves the remainder 6 in each case. Hence the required number is 6 more than 300, that is the required least number is 300 plus 6, that is 306. In this way you have to find the any number which is least number. For that we have to find the LCM. That's all. Thank you, students.